Right then, now then. HEMA summit of Pinhaw Beacon. So up this way on holiday. And I thought I'd do a few HEMAs, so weather's not looking good for the week ahead, so if I can get something decent, but bit of a short walk up. And I won't video myself walking up because you don't want to hear me get out of breath. So, excluding Manzor. Top on, got a few contacts off. 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Calling CQ for HEMA. Humps excluding Man's Award. Standing by call. Golf 0 Tango Victor Bravo. Shall we QSY to 475?
Yeah, okay, 475, sugar.
Just checking this frequency is still clear. This is 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar. Okay, nothing heard. Golf 0 Tango Victor, go ahead.
Yeah, it's Golf 0 Tango Victor Bravo's my call actually. As in television broadcast. Yeah, you know, strong signal. Sounds a bit windy. I don't think you're so far away, probably. Name at this end is Paul, and my location is in Hebden Bridge. Hebden Bridge, about 8 miles west of Halifax, in West Yorkshire. 2E0KIO, 0TVB.
Yeah, cheers on Paul. Good morning. My name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike. I'm just up on Pinhaw Beacon. Just quite a bit north from Hebden. I'm just up here on holiday activating a few HEMA summits. It is a bit breezy up here as well. Yeah, I went through Hebden yesterday on my way up. You're about a 5 and 9 signal with me, 5 and 9 QSO.
Yeah, okay. I think you said it was Chris, so it's a bit windier though, you said your name. I don't know where Pinhaw Beacon is, to be quite honest, but yeah, anyway, near a nice signal. As I said, it does sound like there's a bit of wind noise up there. I'm running 10 watts from a FT480R into the tri-band aerial on the roof of the house here. So I've got a 62 and 70 vertical on the roof of the house here, and that's what I've got. That's what I'm running. So yeah. Oh yeah, I know where it is now. Yeah. You're sort of northwest. You're sort of northwest of me, aren't you? Between Cone and Skipton. So yeah, I get the idea. It sounds a bit more sort of romantic, does that really? I was thinking Peak District or somewhere way up in the Dales or North York Moors or somewhere, but I don't think you'd be quite as strong if you were. Back to you from G0 TVB.
G0 TVB, 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar Portable. Yeah, my name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike. You may have heard Chris M0 RSF up here. He's been up here a few times. Just doing it for a HEMA activation, and I'm up here for the week anyway. Although, judging by the weather next week, it's not looking hopeful. But yeah, it's nice to get you in the logger, Paul. Running Yaesu FT60 and the Diamond RH770 telescopic whip. I have got my 857 with me at the moment, so I might be using that a bit later on 2 meters, get a bit more power out. But I thought I'd do a few calls out with the handheld. But yeah, it is a tad breezy up here, but not too bad. I'm going to venture off into Skipton this afternoon, do a bit of shopping, get a bit of fuel, and have a wander around. Back to you there, Paul. Golf 0 Tango Victor Bravo from 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar Portable.
Yeah, okay, that sounds good. Yeah, well, Friday was awful. Yesterday was quite nice. Time again. Sounds like you've got a fly one, Dom. It's a nice little easy walk, that one, Dom. I take it you've parked down near the cattle grid, over?
Yeah, cattle grid up here, so about 10 minutes if that, not too long. An easier one than all the other get my teeth out, HEMA summits I've done recently. But yeah, great to get in the log, Chris. I'll drop you a message Wednesday if you're still up for the Chevin. That's if the weather holds out.
Yeah, fantastic. I'm day off on Wednesday, and Thursday I've got a wedding that I'm going to, so it'd be nice to pop up there and meet you Wednesday, Dom. Looking forward to that one. You've
Gonna pile up, Dom. Enjoy it. I will put a spot on the HEMA as well. 20KIO portable M0 RSF. Cheers, Dom.
Cheers, Chris 73 is on. Cheers for the spot. QRZ.
Mike 7, Sierra November Sierra.
Sierra November. Mike 7, Sierra November Sierra. Good morning. We're still morning, aren't we? 509, mate. 509 up to Pinhaw Beacon. Name is Dom. Delta Oscar Mike. QSL.
Roger, yeah, morning, Dom, yeah. You're 5 and 6 down here into Castleford, West Yorkshire.
Ah, yeah, cheers for the 5 and 6. Yeah, name for the log. The HEMA Summit. This one is Pinhaw Beacon, Golf Stroke Hotel Sierra Popper 022. QSL.
Yeah, Roger, Dom, yeah, I've just been listening to you for the last sort of 10-15 minutes, so I just thought I'd give you a quick call and get it in the log if that were alright.
Yeah, no worries. You're third in the log, so just one more and I've qualified it.
Roger, no problem. I'll leave you to it and let you get some more calls in. 20KIO from M7 SNS. 73 for now. Good luck.
Alright, cheers for that one. And 73, catch you further down. QRZ, 2 Echo 0, Kilo Italy Oscar Portable, calling CQ HEMA, Humps, excluding Mams Award. Standing by call.
M7WDK.
M7WDK, good afternoon. No, still morning. Name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike, and I'm on Pinhaw Beacon, and I'll give you a signal report on the next one.
Yes, M7WDK, yes. Name's Dave, I'm situated in Wigsey, near Bradford, and you were coming through to me on about a 7-4. Can hear the window there as well, so I'll pass it back to you. 20KIA, portable from M7WDK.
Okay, M7WDK, you're about 5 and 5 at me, 55. Call sign is 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar. 2 Echo 0 Kilo Italy Oscar. Like I said, name is Dom, Delta Oscar Mike. I'm just up on Pinhaw Beacon, which is just a bit south of Skipton. QSL.